There's a different kind of stress that you can't fix with just rest. The kind that comes from always trying to keep up, from doing too much of what doesn't really matter, from giving so much of yourself when you have little left to give. And this is something that I learned the hard way. I was working 60, 70, the odd 80-hour work week in my corporate career. I could show up pretty good in my work, but my family was getting the worst side of me. I felt like a mess on the inside, but I would have told you I was fine. I was burning out without even realizing it. Workloads are heavy, expectations are high, and the pace is moving so fast that's leaving people overwhelmed, spread thin, and not focused on the things that really matter. So at the busiest time in my corporate career, I decided to stop working outside business hours, cold turkey. I wasn't working evenings and weekends anymore. And I thought I would tank my career. The unexpected thing that happens is that I actually started to perform even better. In a world with so many demands and expectations, balance is a strategic move. There's just too much coming at us to keep operating the way that we are. You don't have to do it all. It's way easier to balance all the things when you have less to juggle. You say no, so you can say yes to what matters more. You cannot prioritize effectively if you don't have some boundaries with your time. Balance protects your capacity to be healthy, to be present, to be focused, and burnout, that drains it. Burnout is not a personal failure. It comes when we work and live in a way that is not sustainable. So if we are really going to address work stress, well-being, mental health in organizations to make work-life balance more of a priority and still be effective in our work, we have to change how we work. I believe this is the most important reason, is that your life is happening right now. Right now. You don't know what tomorrow will bring. Not when you retire, not when your kids get older, not when that big project is done. Right now. My mom, she got suddenly very ill. She was 64 years old. She died 3 months later, and I know the old me would have had a lot harder time going through that, even though it was already tough. And I also know I might not have dropped everything the day to go be there when she was passing away, because we didn't know she was going to pass away. Not because I didn't care, but because I would have been too busy to see it. You're going to create more balance in your life and how you lead and within yourself. You need to take back control of your days and focus on what really matters. You need to calm a busy mind. You need to do the things that help you be your best for yourself and others, even with messy everyday life. Balanced leaders are better leaders because you are more focused on the things that really matter. You are more present, and you also lead by example to be a positive ripple for others. Every day you have a choice.